Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us do some graphical representation of velocity, time, and distance traveled by a body. Means graphical representation we will do now. Here, look at this figure. The first figure. This is OX. This is OY. Now, OX is the time axis and OY is the velocity axis. Suppose from O to C is t seconds, and from O to A velocity v meter per second. Now the rectangle OCBA is shaded. This is the when the body is moving with a uniform velocity. This figure represents body moving uniform velocity. Now let us discuss first this one. Consider the motion of a body which is represented by the graph OABC as shown in the figure. Now we know that distance traveled by a body in t seconds with having constant velocity v, that is equal s equal velocity into time. Thus we see that area of the figure, that is rectangular figure OABC, represent the distance traveled by a body. In some scale, suppose if you are keeping t is in second, velocity in meter per second, then area represent distance traveled by a body in meter square, in meter. Here the same thing we will do when a body moving with variable velocity, Here this is OX, this is OY axis. Horizontal axis represent the time, vertical represent velocity. Now this figure contains two set of figures. One is rectangle, other is a triangle. First, distance traveled by a body. Distance traveled by a body can be given in formula, that is s equal ut plus half at square. Here u is initial velocity, e is in time, and a is acceleration. Here s is the distance. Now from the geometry of the figure, this the total area of the trapezium, that is area of rectangle, and suppose the area of the triangle, both together represent the total distance covered by a body. Now area of the figure equal area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Now area of the rectangle, that is area of the rectangle, you can say the name C D, put A here and B. Area of triangle, area of rectangle gives that this is first here, from here to here, this is not U, we'll keep this is U here. Now rectangle area is here U into E plus area of triangle, you know that half into T, half into T into AT. AT is here, the height, now it becomes the height is 80 now. Half into T, half into T is the base and height is 80. So we can give this one is UT plus half 80 square. Therefore the total area, which means distance traveled with combined constant velocity and with variable velocity, total is S equal UT plus half 80 square. Thus we see that area of the figure OABC represent the distance traveled by the body to some scale. From the figure we can also see, suppose this here, suppose this angle here, if it is alpha, then you can say tan alpha equal 80 by T. 80 height by horizontal is T, which gives A, means here the acceleration can be represented as tan alpha in the figure. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.